Hello friends, welcome to Quick Revision Point. My name is Raksha Srivastava. Friend, today we are discuss important question of English pedagogy. So let's start. First question: the curriculum for English attempt to develop the use of English for first social interaction, second academic achievement, third culture enrichment, and fourth all of the above. So the curriculum for English attempt to develop the use of English for तो social interaction, academic achievement, culture enrichment, all of the above is right answer. 4 will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. In multi-dimensional approach to the teaching of English, oral is one of the language which refers to first speech, second sight, थर्ड हियरिंग एंड फोर्थ मोशन. तो राइट आंसर इज थर्ड हियरिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. विच एमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग प्रोनाउंसिएशन? फर्स्ट इमिटेशन, सेकंड सब्सटीट्यूशन, थर्ड फोनेटिक्स एंड फोर्थ सब्सिडरी. तो राइट आंसर इज सेकंड सब्सटीट्यूशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एन इफेक्टिव लैंग्वेज टीचर फर्स्ट विल मेक चिल्ड्रेंस लर्न ऑल द आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन given in the textbook. Second, will use the textbook as well as other material as resource for teaching. So an effective language teacher will use the textbook as well as other material as resources for teaching. Correct answer is second. Next question देखेंगे. which one of the following is the most important prerequisites for language learning? फर्स्ट, चिल्ड्रेंस मोटिवेशन टू लर्न द लैंग्वेज. तो फर्स्ट विल बी राइट आंसर कि चिल्ड्रेंस मोटिवेशन टू लर्न द लैंग्वेज. ओके, तो राइट आंसर इज फर्स्ट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. वाइल लर्निंग English as a second language. While learning English as a second language, first there is no rule of mother tongue in learning language 2. Second, the mother tongue should not be used by the learners. Third, the use of mother tongue will facilitate learning. And fourth, the use of mother tongue will create interference. So right answer is कि while learning English as a second language, to the use of mother tongue will facilitate learning. Correct answer is third. Next question. The maximum participation of student is possible while teaching English by the teacher using authentic tasks through first structural approach, second communicative approach, third grammar translation method, and fourth direct method. Right answer is second communicative approach. Next question. Constructivism in language learning focuses on first, the dominant role of the teacher in the classroom, second, engaging learner in exploring new knowledge, third, the rule of imitation, and fourth, memorizing grammar rules. So constructivism in language learning focuses on engaging learner in exploring new knowledge. Right answer is second. Next question. While teaching English as a teacher is not able to draw attention of some students sitting at back, she should first engage them by asking questions and evaluating her teaching method. First will be correct answer. Next question. In learning a language, student talking time should be increased because first will be right answer कि they use the target language for various purpose. Okay, they use the target language for various purpose. Student talking time should be increased because they use the target language for various purpose. Correct answer is first. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. द कम्युनिकेटिव अप्रोच टू टीच इंग्लिश फोकसेस ऑन first, the structural accuracy of the sentence, second, correct pronunciation of word, third, linguistic competence plus an ability to use the language appropriately, and fourth, the practice of selected and graded structure patterns. So the communicative approach to teach English focus on linguistic competence plus as an ability to use the language appropriately. Correct answer is third. Next question. Brainstorming technique is useful for helping student in formative new students sentences, helping students in forming new sentences. Correct answer is second. Next question देखेंगे. Lata and English language teachers of class 6 divided the class into pairs to read a sequence of pictures and then describe it to each other. What is this activity pedagogically known as? Peer interaction. Right answer is second. Next question. The communicative approach to teach English focus on the practice of selected and graded structure patterns. Right answer is 4. Next question. Alphabetic method is also known as word method, syllabic method, spelling method, and fourth phrase method. So alphabetics method is also known as word method. Correct answer is first हो जाएगा. Next question. In which method teacher states rules and gives examples? first inductive method, second deductive method, third translation method, and fourth none of these. So in which method text teacher states rules and give example to none of these? Right answer. Okay, next question. The best sequence for learning English language is first listening, speaking, reading and writing. First will be right answer. Sequence पहले होता है listening, फिर speaking, फिर reading, फिर writing. Okay, first will be right answer. Next question. A language has to be, a language has to be first second will be right answer, grammatical correct. Okay, grammatically correct. A language had to be a grammatically correct. Right answer is second. Thank you friends.